Hello, I'm playing Satisfactory again. Why? Because the game is great. That's why. I have not built foundations yet. I've thrown everything on the ground. Okay, where am I with things? I need wire, I need screws, I need plates. I got the plates. I need the wire. I'll grab some of this. Just good to have. You know, sometimes it's just good to have. I think this is just making screws, isn't it? Yes. Awesome. That's enough. That's all those parts, and now I have field research. I don't remember what this gives me.
Milestone reached. Supply the molecular analysis machine, referred to as the MAM,
and I can start building the space elevator.
Technologies. Potential technologies include exploration tools, weapons, and factory buildings.
Okay.
These
Anything
are
else that
for
came with it?
Your pioneer efficiency and
Personal storage
with
box.
its core pillars.
I think there might have been an equipment
automate,
item.
Explore and exploit.
The object scanner.
To advance Fixit's mission, all notable phenomena,
I don't really have a use for that yet.
Technology or other influence
So
should
I'm not
be
gonna bother.
investigated regardless of any perceived danger, as stated in the Pioneer contract.
I do suppose it's time to get the base built. Proper foundationing. Oh, I can't until it's back. Of course, I can't fill the ship until it's back. How would you do that? How? 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 I ask how. Link. Okay, so while I'm waiting for stuff to accrue, I'm going to do a little bit of planning, planning. Oh, see, this is the bird. Look at it. Oh. I'm sorry. Okay. Anyway. What was I doing? Okay, I'm gonna rebuild this onto a platform somewhere. That's as far as I've thought. Oh, it looks like they're full. What? Are they? Oh, they're just still burning biomass. Oh, it's a little microwave. And a Fixit brand blender. Itty bitty all-in-one utensil. Is that like a cheese peeler? Where's the cheese? And recycling. What a strange place. Has my stuff built yet? And is the ship back? 15 seconds. Alright, submit these. And I just need plates, which might already be full. It wasn't full, but it had a lot. I'll just take some of these, because I can make the iron rods very easily.
Milestone reached. Several new structures are now available for improving factory organization. Foundations provide a building grid, which makes it easier to manage placement of any structure. In the event that you are experiencing amnesia for all events prior to planetfall, be reassured that
floors
memories
do
of
make it
beloved
easier to
humans
build.
and/or animals would have only been distractions from your important mission.
Okay, next milestone. I kind of want this one. Just because I really like the customizable options. I think it's also how I get concrete foundations. So I'm just gonna go for that. Now where am I gonna place the space elevator? It's a fairly large structure. Yeah, let's get a better view. Okay, so let's see. I have the map available now. I wish I could see elevation differences a little easier. This is a decent flat area right here. That could work. Let's go take a look at that one. Is it over there? Yeah, this direction. Okay, that could work. Go clear it. Why, yes, I fell. I am so sorry, Fix-It. For injuring myself. Yeah, I think this spot will work quite nicely. And it's not too far away. And I'm definitely going to need the biomass anyway. Okay, this might be clear enough. Under special space elevator. Is this enough space? I know it's big. Very big. Surface too uneven. Missing materials. Okay, so looks like that'll fit. I just need the materials. I'll finish cleaning it up. There. Ow. Alright, I'll go drop these. Is it left was leaves? Yes, left is leaves. And right is wood. Got it. Source sync bonus program, and then I need space elevator. Guess I should focus on that one because it is a bit more expensive. and it is necessary to progression. The other one is necessary to look good, but not necessary to progression. Nope, wrong thing. Oops, that's not what I want. I want the... Okay, I want to go into here and then hit the plus so I can add it to my to-do list. Okay, I need 400 iron rod. That's a lot. Okay, that's quite a few. And welcome back. Still building. Alright, so I guess these are just gonna go with this for a little bit, so maybe I'll just explore. There's still items I can find, or let me rephrase that. There's research I can do if I build the MAM, which I probably should, just so that I can start those. I need these. That's what it is. I need 5 of them. Okay. So the MAM lets me find items in the environment and then research them. And it unlocks items for me. Wow, this is very different. Wow. They really did give everything a fresh coat of paint. Alright. Alien megafauna, nutrients, classified phenomena, unknown metal, fungus-like growth, unusual energy readings, unknown crystalline material, unknown chemical element. Okay. Unknown, 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 unknown.
The
I
remains
remember,
researched
I usually
belong
end
to
up
an organism
putting these
now
into
dubbed
the
fluffy-tailed
awesome
hog.
sink.
It
Yeah.
has many
Yeah,
characteristics
they give you quite a
that
bit
would
of
likely
points for it.
classify it among the Suidae family were it native to Earth. Hog remains can now
Don't
be
have any of
made into
those.
alien protein, and additional
I have
research
these.
may reveal options for improving pioneer safety during
And
exploration.
have bacon.
This fruit, dubbed the paleberry due to its tendency
Okay.
to stay light in color even when ripe, is
Let's see if I can find
compatible
any
with
of the
human
other
digestive
materials that is
system and
around.
has been added to the object scanner. Further research is
You
available.
can usually find them, like, jutting out the side of cliffs like this.
This mushroom,
Nope, here's one
dubbed
right here,
bacon
actually.
agaric due to its uncanny resemblance to raw bacon, is compatible with the human digestive system and has been added to the object scanner. Further
Alright,
research
that
is
works.
available.
There's one of them. I think I
Unknown
need
metal
50 of
collected.
it
This
to
metallic
research
element
it, though.
is showing properties
Let me go check. I
similar
think you
to
need
those in group
50 of
11
the
on
material when you
periodic
find it in
table,
order
such
to
as high
actually research
conductivity
it
and
in the MAM.
malleability. Research it in the MAM to establish classification and potential application.
Nope, it's just 10. Okay. Oh, I need 50 for
metal
the
has been
ingot
named
research, so
Caterium
I
after
technically need
Fixit's greatest
60.
CEO Katerina Parks. It has been added
And
as
I
a
imagine it's
viable
the same way for
alternative
the
to
other
gold
ones,
in industrial
or
applications,
similar.
specifically
Grab as
in
much as you
advanced
can, basically.
electronics due to its
Fill your pockets.
superconductivity, malleability, and corrosion resistance.
Little stream running through here. Geothermal vent over here. Geyser. Ooh. Oh, there's something. What's that? It looks like it might just be regular ore. Oh, it's a rock of iron. It's not even on an iron node. You get back here. Alright, power slug. Get my first one of them.
This semi-slug species seems to persist entirely through absorbing and storing energy from its
See any
surroundings.
more
Studying
rocks
this could provide new
that I haven't
methods
mined
for
before?
improving fix-it production line efficiency.
There's a big
Research
tree.
it in the MAM to establish classification and potential application.
Any more? No? Ooh. Nope. I don't see anything. What's over here? That is a very big tree. I don't know, this area feels different from what I remember. Possible it is. Also possible I never really went this direction very often. Oh, hi. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Oh, there he is. This is my slug. That's a long drop. It's probably not the way I want to go. Oh, there's something. What's this? Looks like it's just iron. Yeah, it's just iron. Continue this way. Looks like that leads back towards my base. Huh. Ain't that weird? Oh, well, that looks awful. The deforestation continues. I cleared a nice little patch where I'm going to put the space elevator. So then I can send the stuff from the planet into space. I don't see any. Trying to find some more random rock nodes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, get out of there. That was almost very bad. Oh, I thought I might have saw something over here. Nope, just my imagination. Alright, so I didn't find any of the other ores yet. But, oh! I found one. I was mostly killing time anyway. But I found one of the other ones.
Chemical element collected.
This one's great because it will let me make
This non-metallic and
explosives.
multivalent element seems
And that's
to be present
always a good
only in
thing.
a solid state and exhibits a most pungent smell. It is fortunate fix-it helmets are of such high quality. Research it in the MAM to establish classification and potential application.
Okay. Let's see what we have here. Plenty of screws, some extra rods, extra plate. Go check on the wire. Where am I at here? Still got quite a few to go on that. So I think I'll rebuild that one first. I don't have enough to research that. Oh, I can research this. Okay, so now I can convert
This
a
semi-slug,
slug
now dubbed power slug, is early in
into
its
a
life
power
cycle
shard
and has retained only part
and
of its
overclocked
potential
my
energy
machines.
storage capacity, giving it its blue
Who knew?
color.
Who knew you could use slugs
Power
for such
slugs are
things?
capable of extracting latent energy from their surroundings, including through a form of photosynthesis, and preserve it in their porous semi-crystalline shell over their lifetime. This explains why they rarely move after having found a
I
suitable
could put
location.
foundation down, but I'm planning on rebuilding this anyway. Okay, let's see. So this does 15 copper
This
per minute.
unknown chemical
I believe this is
element was in
producing
reality an
30, so I can
unusual
at least
mixture of
fit
solid
one more
sulfide
of this.
and sulfate materials from which sulfur can be extracted. Sulfur's primary use lies in
Well, I
fertilizers,
could if I had the
which we
thing
have
for
no
it.
use for. Instead, this element enables access to more volatile obstacle clearing and pioneer defending tools.
Anyway, don't take too many. I do need to automate the plates, though, very soon. Okay, and then splitter. Actually, hold on, I'm gonna set that 5 and 6. And 5 is merger. Oof, that's terrible. It works, though. That takes 30, so I could fit another smelter on. I don't have a faster belt yet, so I can only do another one. That would let me expand out to 2 more wire. I guess I can just do that. Sure, that works. Yep, whatever. Plug it in. And then splitter. Oh, laughing. What? No, it's not. See? There. Works just fine. And wire, and wire. Alright, then plug it in. Yep, this is a great idea. Absolutely. Then, so I'm just going to dismantle this one. And then I think run them both into one. That. Then I'll have a merger there. This one to that. This is terrible. I'm doing it anyway. Yep. There it is. Done. Plugged in. Ready to go. Throw it together. I think this is right. Yeah, it's working. Why is it taking so long to get him in here? Oh. Oh, wait. That's why. Okay, so they produce 30 wire per minute, and the belts only hold a capacity of 60, so I can't do this. I actually have to add another container in order for it to make sense. Because otherwise, it will only be the output of 2 of these, and it will be completely wasted that the other ones are plugged in. This works. Alright, space elevator. How much do I have left? I need 132 iron rod and another 400 or so wire. I'm feeling I'm gonna run out of power soon. What's going on over here? I just have a feeling. Okay, no. Okay. I should add one, I think. Might not be a bad idea. Good. Got that together. In just a moment. Wait for the light to go green, and we're good. $40, 86. All right. So those should fill at the same rate now, since it should saturate the belt with both of them producing 30. Yeah, this should be balanced. I'm not even going to bother with concrete yet. I'm not using it enough yet. Until I have the concrete material to use, or I start worrying about encased steel beams or encased pipe beams, it's just meh. There's so much concrete in the game to find. Like, you would have seen over here, there's already 2 more nodes just over here of concrete, and I barely have a need for the one that's there. One there, one over there. Alright, where's the other one? There he is. Alright, those are dealt with. Yeah, so there's a concrete there. Well, limestone. I think it is. Yeah, limestone. What's up here? Anything up here? There's a very weird rut in the land here. What is this from? Oh, power slug. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna leave that there for now, since I don't really have any way to deal with it anyway. I should pick up this slug. I'm not really gonna overclock anything yet, unless I can overclock my power machines. I don't think you can do that until a later tier, though. Oh, this is a neat little road. Where's this go? Right back up where I was? Oh wait, here's where the sulfur was that I found. Okay, so it's just around the back of this pillar-ish building. Pillar-ish rock. Big rock. Okay, let's see. Can I... Nope, not there. Power shard. I need at least one. And then I can turn it in at the MAM for machine overclocking. Okay, yeah, that's affordable. I can go ahead and spend that one.
Overclocking development completed. Power shards can now be inserted into all buildings to increase input and output speed. Underclocking is also possible.
Alright, now I want to see if I can plug
Power
one of these
consumption
in
of
with it.
overclocked buildings increases exponentially.
I can. Okay. It will make it burn more fuel. It does 4 per minute right now. This will take it up to 6, and it will produce 45 megawatts. Okay. That's a linear increase, so that's okay. That works. A little extra power, a little buffer on top. Okay, that's all of those, all the wire. And I think I'm actually going to turn this machine off for now. And let the rods accumulate. Because that's all I have left now. And honestly, I need to rebuild everything in a moment anyway, but I'm kind of waiting until I at least have the space elevator put together. Right, let's go slap that down. I'm just gonna slap down a space elevator. Be a little bit of a pain getting up there. Yeah, I'll toss a ramp on. Nope. All right. Let's see here. Great big building. Where's the front? There it is. Okay. I think there's a way to lock hologram. There it is. H. Okay. So you can lock the building in place and now move around, which is really appreciated, because ones like these, you have no idea how it's going to place because of how large it is. So being able to preview it early, very nice change. See, I wouldn't have noticed that sticking out over the edge like that. Wouldn't have noticed it. It would have been beyond my notice. Let's nudge it. Nudge exceeds max distance. Okay, I think it's fine. I think I've got it in the right spot. Good here, good there. Yeah, this will be fine for now. Eventually I'll put it on a platform, but it's big. It don't need to go on something right yet. Great big building. Then drop the cable, link it up. This would be incredibly dangerous in real life. Like, incredibly dangerous. It's like the whiplash effect. If a space tether was to break, that thing is going to slap around the planet and do an incredible amount of damage. I suppose you'd have to design it with that in mind and maybe put,
Project assembly initialized.
I don't know, like charges
Pioneer.
inside of it
The
to
space
self-destruct
elevator
if that was
will
to
now
occur.
automatically connect with the Project Assembly orbital platform.
And I feel like
Project
putting in a
assembly is
system
divided
like
into
that would be
phases,
asking for
each of
trouble
which
in the
require
first place.
Delivery of project parts, such as
But
smoke
anyway,
plating,
check
via
out the space elevator. So we give it
Subsequent
stuff and then we
phases
send it
unlock
up
access to new
space.
tiers with more advanced
And it
technologies
unlocks
to
the
construct,
next tier
automate,
of milestones
explore,
for
and
us.
exploit. It is time to be honest.
So once we
This
finish
project is part of the
milestone
Save the Day
2,
program, the
we
largest
need
United
to
undertaking in
complete
human
phase 1 of
history,
the space
destined to
elevator
save
in
us
order
all.
to get to
Earth is
milestones
in
3 and
peril,
4,
and only Fix-It
which
pioneers
I
offer hope
believe
for
are the ones that
survival.
give you access to coal.
Fix-It is counting on you. Humanity is counting on you. Do not let Fix-It down.
I need to dump some things in here. Yeah, yep, that can go in there, that can go in there. Yep, that's good. That's fine. Good. Alright, resource sync program. Oh, it's full. Okay, I'm gonna have a ton of wire before too long. I'll grab some concrete. And then it's just plates and rods. There's the plates. Now I'm just waiting on the rods. Can I make that? Is it 4 of these? Suppose I can add it to my equipment. It's a good one to have. Okay, the object scanner. So the way the object scanner works is when you equip it, you can select an item to search for. One second while I try and remember how you change said item. Right click. And items that you have picked up before, so you have picked up the pale berry and the mushroom before, I can now scan for. And depending on the direction you are looking at, it gives you an intensity to your signal. So I can tell that there's a mushroom right over there, as you can see. And when I get closer to it, the little bar increases, and then I collect said mushroom. And this can find a lot of other things in the future. I thought there was a button I could use to bring up the list of all of them. I guess not. Maybe that was a mod I was using. No, wait a minute. There's sulfur right over there. That's actually really close. What? Yeah, that's right over there. Wonder if it's inaccessible in some other way. No, I'm gonna go check it out. Actually, if I'm gonna do that, I should build a miner so I can set down a mine on it and bring some back. Could be useful to have. I will need power lines as well, so I should probably build a few of those. Some extra cabling. Okay, and do I have enough to build the miner? Yes, I do. Grab some building materials. Find a line I can hook up to. Easier said than done. This is a mess. Yeah, I need the power infrastructure anyway. Sometimes it's just good while you're exploring to start running lines because you're gonna use them. And the entire electrical grid just operates as one large system. one network in itself. You don't have to worry about changing or transforming the voltages in any way. I think it would be neat if they did introduce a hard mode or something that had that. I think that would be a lot of fun. But I guess if I want that, there are Minecraft mods to give me that. Maybe in future somebody will build a mod for it in this. Okay, so let's see. Where was that sulfur? Right down there. I don't like this. Nope. I'm out of here. I'm gonna take these though. I'm gonna wait until daytime.
Potential edible collected.
I
Eating
do
it
have a
and
flashlight.
surviving does not count as a valid
I have a
field
flashlight.
test and does not
It's fine.
generate enough data for Fixit to make an informed decision.
As long as there are not
Research it
those
in the MAM to
other
establish
creatures around.
classification and potential application.
Depending on where that vein is. Oh shoot, there is a cave over there. Alright, yeah, I'm not gonna mess with that. Those are not worth messing with. They're an arachnid type creature that scurries and runs and hits with like a poison attack. They're very awful. Okay, so I think I'll just head the route I do know over to a nice resource area, because I would like to get some Caterium ore because it will let me upgrade my power poles. That's the ore that you need to get the 5 connection up to 12 connection, I think it is. Get up there. Alright, take 2. Exploring. Yeah. Liver power. Alright. Hopefully not running for my life. Hell yeah. Very overgrown. Power too long? Too long. These things release a spore cloud when you get too close. They get agitated and spew toxic gas at you. So just avoid them. Oh, there's a power slug up there. What you doing? Way up there. Yeah, I don't typically like crossing the line across the road, but depending on where I am, it works best. They have long-distance transmission poles. Oh, that's very tall. They have long-distance transmission poles that look really nice. They look like high voltage transmission wires. So it'll be exciting to get those, and I can rebuild some of these infrastructure routes. I'm not sure what to call them, because I typically don't do mega factories. It's not really my style. I tend to do a much more dispersed and ad hoc solution. Everything is highly adaptable, highly modular, because I can never remember what I was doing, and that's the safest way for me to handle it. Oh, Oh, there's some Caterium. A little bit more. Let me go grab that. Back there. Give. Okay, the other one I'm going to be on the lookout for is the quartz crystal. I think it's quartz. Because I can use that one for getting transmission systems and the Explorer vehicle, which is a dune buggy. There are other vehicles in the... Ooh, there's other vehicles in the game. Oh. But I'm just going to ignore that. The Explorer is the quickest one. Oh, I heard they were doing something different with the drop pods. And there used to be a wreck over here, so I wonder what happened. It's still here. Where'd he go? Where's that other one? Where's that other one? Where'd he go? Oh, look, stuff. Is that him? There he is. Oh, I punched him. Okay, so these typically had hard drives in them, and you would research those to get additional recipes. I heard they had changed things, but I'm not sure how it's been changed.
Damaged
So
hard
what I
drive
do is I
successfully
put this
acquired.
into the
All
mayhem back at
pioneers are
base, and it
contractually
researches
obliged
it,
to
takes
preserve
about
and
10
secure
minutes, I
any
think.
recovered hard drives for
And then
analysis
it
in the
will
lab, which may
give
result
me
in
an
benefits
additional
to the
recipe
fix-it mission.
for building an item.
Speculation as to why
And some
there
of them
crashed
are
freighters in your
incredibly
fix-it
good.
designated
Like
zone
steel
is
screws
discouraged
is
as
one that I
specified
love
in
to
your
go for
contract.
because it simplifies the screw production a lot. There's a few other really good ones, but yeah, it's hit or miss on some of them. I don't really see much else. Is this rotor over here? Okay. Right, and I know that there is some ore around here. I just gotta find it. This is not typically the direction I go looking in. Oh, here we go, found it. Okay, so this is a great little spot here. Honestly, if you wanted something different as a starting spot, this is not a bad choice. You could just start here instead of in the other area of the Northern Forest. Because I think this is technically still Northern Forest. You get 1, 2, 3, 4... I think it's 5 iron nodes here. It looks like they might have gotten rid of one. So you've got at least 4. There's another vein of something over there. There's copper over there. There's crystal. You can see off in the distance over here, I think. Over there. Like over about there, I think. Ooh, that's a drop. But one of the ones I'm here for is the crystal. That and Caterium. Caterium is over here too, but I can't remember where that one is. You get really lucky with the hard drives. Oh, it's so nice when you get a lucky one. It feels like it saves so much time. Okay, so the crystal ones are technically guarded, but depending on how they've changed this, you can reach to build it anyway without having to go down there and fight the thing. Let me see if I can do it. Uh-oh. Well, well, well. This is interesting. I don't see any mines down there. They moved it. Uh-oh. The crystal's been moved. Well, 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 well. This is interesting. Okay, okay. Oh no. Oh no! Ow. That hurt. Okay. Let me get back out to the road here. Huh? Where? There. Oh, two of them. Oh, there's some crystal. That's what I want. You're still after me? Stop it. Stop. I'm gonna turn them into delicious nutrients.
Unknown crystalline mineral collected.
Okay, so
This mineral
now
is
I should be able
composed
to
of
do
the
a
same
scan
chemical
for
elements
it.
as quartz and
Nope,
may
apparently
yield
gotta
similar
research it first.
industrial
Okay.
functions. Research it in the MAM to establish classification and potential
There's
application.
a sulfur node over here. That's not too far. I can go grab some of this. Let me go take a look at it. I can at least go... No, no, no. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I see some sulfur there, and let me see where some deuterium is. 308 that way. Okay, so there's the two. Yeah, I don't know if it's... No, I shouldn't bother with the sulfur one yet like that, but I should grab some while I'm here. I'm just gotta watch out for enemies. I don't remember what's over here. Wow, this is one. Ouch. I think I want at least 50. Almost there. And 50. Much it needs 60 when I get back. That'd be so funny. Ha ha. Ha ha ha. Okay, where was that deuterium ore? It was right up here, wasn't it? Well, there ain't nothing I gotta kill. I'm just looking at mine. Don't want to kill. Ugh. I want to dig rock. Not dig grave. No. Limestone. Yep, just what I'm looking for. Out of everything else in the world, random limestone rock. Alright, well thanks for stopping in. I hope you have a good night. I have to be close. There it is. Oh, someone's angry with me. Where? Where is it angry with me? Who's mad? Show yourself. Nope, I don't see anybody. I'm gonna assume I'm good. Okay, so this one I can't put a miner on until I've taken out this rock. kind of a way that they gate you from getting access to certain nodes, is you need to build explosives first. So maybe I will need to get that sulfur node, because that's what you need for explosives, is sulfur and coal. Sometimes there's a second one around here. There used to be. Nope, looks like they didn't. Okay. I guess that's that. Alright, so done a little exploring out this way. Resource nodes have been changed. I will have to replan things a little bit. But I think for the most part, I'm trying to build a little differently to begin with. But I'm still just going to go with how I'm feeling. Yeah, it'd be really nice to have a, like, vehicle, truck, car, bike right now. I'd settle for a scooter, honestly. When do I get Blade Runners? I don't remember what that's from. I think it's in the MAM somewhere, but I don't remember which item it's under. I think it's maybe Caterium. That would be a good one for me to get. That'll help cut down on travel time. And maybe that zip line thing too that lets me connect to the power lines. Back home. Let's see. Grab those. Turn that in. All right.
Milestone
Now I have
reached.
access to
You
the
have been
Resource
given access
Sync
to the
bonus
anti-waste
program.
effort for stress testing of materials on Exoplanet's bonus program.
And what this
also
does
known as Awesome. Your
is let
awesome
me
input
get rid of
allows
excess
Fixit to comprehend
resources
our amazing universe
and
more
get tickets
clearly.
for them. And then I
In
can spend the
appreciation of
tickets
this,
to
we have
unlock
generously
items
set
for the
up an
game.
internal, closed
Usually
economy with
skins,
exclusive rewards and
construction
currency.
stuff,
Directing
like
parts of varying quantity and
catwalks,
complexity into the awesome
architectural
resource sink will
elements,
grant Fixit coupons.
stuff like that that wouldn't
These
necessarily
coupons can be
be
redeemed in the
game
awesome shop
requirement,
for highly desirable
but can help
items such
in
as
other
new
ways.
foundations, walls, factory attachments,
Decals are another
cosmetics,
thing you can
parts,
unlock.
and more. Next time you have additional resources, just remember
Go
to go
ahead
that extra
and set up
kilometer. Go awesome.
a little chest to dump stuff into this. Usually the easiest way I handle it. Because then I can just throw a bunch of stuff in there and let it eat it. And it's all good. Perfect. All good. I just let it do its thing. And so this is the... Okay, they moved the shop around. This is the awesome shop. And you can buy various objects, items. You can get a boombox. The little Fix-It-Factory car. That one's fun. Items to help with management of your logistics. These ones are nice to have, so you can mount wiring to your walls instead of needing poles for it. Display signs. Lighting. Paint. This is different. These are new. These are new. I haven't seen these before. Paint finishes. That's interesting. So yeah, all kinds of ways to customize things. It's not necessary to the game. Hey, they added stairs. Holy. Whoa. They added actual stairs. Never thought I'd see the day. Wow, they really did just finish out the game with the release. Awesome. I love it. Oh, some new types of fences. That's fun. Fix-it coffee cup. You know, for when you just need some coffee. Nope, I forgot to plug it in. Silly me. There we go. So that goes ahead and eats the things, and it will give me a coupon when it's done, and then I can use the coupon to redeem for goodies. And then you do it all over again. And if you noticed in it, it did say one for the alien capsule from under here, this thing. This is worth a decent amount to get tickets with as well. All right, let's see. What do I have? This one. This will let me scan for quartz now, so I'll be able to actually find it. Okay, Blade Runners are under
The
quartz,
crystalline
so I
mineral
need
was a
quartz.
previously unknown variation of quartz with
can
uniquely
finish
large
researching
and flawless
that.
crystals.
And there's
normally
the
only
zip line
found in
runner,
synthetic
or what's it
quartz.
called?
The industrial
Zip-
application
that
of
is what
this
it's called.
mineral will follow that of its synthetic counterpart, specifically in
Quick
communication
wire.
and exploration technologies.
Quick wire is one that I've always had good luck with giving to the Awesome Shop. It produces a lot of it,
Research completed. Caterium ingot recipe
and you don't
unlocked.
really need much
New
of it.
caterium
So I
research
typically
available.
just dump it into the Awesome Sink. All right, I'll let that scan that hard drive. We got, oh, wait, really? There's a bunch of them. Really? Okay, that is different. Well, that's exciting. That's much closer. Where is it? There they are, up there. Very rocky through here. Oh, there's a cliff here. Oh no. Really? It's across there. Is it? Where is it? Oh. Okay, Well, that's some distance. Foundations. Not really much. That's a fall. Oh, and that's an Alpha Guardian. Where's that other one located? Can't quite see it. Okay, well, actually, I suppose I can just check, see if I can reach it. I might just be able to plop a miner down on it. I can. Here we go, that works. No, that's not gonna work. I think I need... Do I have the lift? I do. Okay, so now I should be able to just go plug this in. I'm gonna have to try and route these back with me. Ugh, it's tough to see through here. I should clear this out. Straight to my base, that way. There's so much nature in the way. Just look at all this nature. Nope. Alright, it will take it a bit to get it to me, but best to get these things started, even if it takes a bit to get there. This is going to be one that I end up using a lot in the future. Back into base. Now, where can I hook this up? Alright, that has power now. I'm gonna put a storage container in here so that I can collect that stuff. Oops, I'm out of plates. Just ran out. There, all hooked up. And it should automatically reach here. I can't remember if you need to go near it so that it can complete the drilling process. I don't remember. Let's go see. If nothing, I should be able to at least meet it. And if it does need that, well, this is what I need to do anyway. So it's all okay. There they are. Yep, they're just slow, that's all. It takes a little bit. Look at that pretty crystal. Alright, so we'll just head back to base and wait for it to accumulate. It's also a key component in making glass in the future. So if I want to build any structures that take advantage of glass in the building, I will need that material. And that one. Okay, so, next part, I'm gonna check, see if I've got a ticket yet from here. I've gotten 4. Awesome. I have no space for it. Now I do. Let's see, what's the first thing I'm gonna want to buy? Personally, I think it's just gonna be the concrete skin for the foundations. I think it's one of the nicer ones to just build with. In terms of, it's got an even, clear surface that repeats really well. Some of them look a bit too fake. Like there's too many edges to them. They just look like giant squares. So that gives me 1 left. I don't think I can afford anything else with just 1. Besides these boxes. I don't need those. Conveyor wall mount. Don't need it yet. So I'll just wait on that. Alright. Concrete. I can build with it. Is this done? Did this finish? Looks like it's still spinning. Oh, it's almost done. 20 seconds. I need to pick another milestone. This one, so that I can actually start on the smart plating. Okay, the MAM completed. Let's see what we got. Scanned hard drive have been added to your hard drive library.
Hard drive analysis completed. Alternative recipe selection
Hard drive
available in the
library.
map.
Okay, so they give you a choice. And then let you rescan if you don't like those choices. I hate those choices. This one could be useful, but not right now. +6 inventory? You know what? I'll take it. That's not bad. Inflated pocket dimension. You know what? Worth it. I'm gonna make a constructor and hook up one of these wires into it so I can have some cables being made. This is a mess. This is an absolute mess. I guess I'll just make some, see what I can get built. Needs 200. Check on a couple of parts. Grab them. Plates. Rods. Let's see how this one's doing on cable. It's got a few. Alright, let's submit these. Really? Really close. That one. Now I should have it. Alright, send it. Next thing, jump pads
Milestone
or
reached.
logistics.
The assembler can produce more complex parts,
already
including
have, like,
the first
50 rotors.
project part, smart plating, which
don't
is
really have a use
crucial
for
for
these right now, though.
initiating project assembly. Project
Personally, I
parts
almost
must
never
be
use them.
delivered to the space elevator. By completing your contracted duties as part of project assembly, you will definitely be helping achieve Fix-It Company goals without any other ulterior motive.
I guess I'll go
Note,
with that one.
Humans cannot craft project
really want
parts.
to.
Do not worry
use
about
them
your
that much.
inadequate crafting skill when compared
I
to an
typically just wait
assembler.
until I have steel.
Fix-It cherishes your innate human abilities, such as walking, striking objects, and commodifying natural resources.
How's this one going? 2 more coupons. So that gives me 3. Is there anything else I'm really looking to grab right now? Let's see. I don't really need the lighting yet. I don't need that yet. The double ramps would be useful. They kind of help with making angled walkways look better. Additional wall types, conveyor walls. Can't afford those yet. Architecture, the pillars could be good. I could make some interesting building designs with that. I think this is going to be the better choice, though. That one's going to be useful for right now. Help make things look nicer when I'm building across places. And then, besides that one, I think the next one I'm going to want to go for is... Oh, what was it? I can't remember now. Yeah, it's going to be... Ladder. Ladder's a good one. Railing is also a good one. Just for safety reasons. I've ran off platforms too often. Alright, let's see here. So, if I'm gonna build in here, I want something a little bit elevated because this is kind of a road through here. And I'd prefer to be able to continue using it as a road. So I want to build something tall enough off the ground, some sort of structure to it, that I can still do that. Okay, now I'm going to get into why I need more concrete. So once you start building with it, then it starts to be expensive to use up. Where's that one? There it is.
This fruit, dubbed the barrel nut after its distinctive color,
Scannable
is
object,
compatible
power
with the
slot.
human digestive system and has been added to the object
Yeah,
scanner.
I should wait on that.
Further
really
research is
need it right now.
available.
This one requires 50 ingots. I don't have anything for that. I need crystal for both of those. Ooh, I can go check to see if that started falling into the container yet. Oh, I see it. Let's see how much we got. Okay. Almost 200. Alright, let's see. Anything else I should... Here, I think I need these to make one of the next researches. For that alien capsule. Yep, it was. Okay, got it.
Research completed. Alien protein can now be turned into biomass or alien DNA capsules. In addition to being used for research, the invaluable alien lifeform data in these capsules can be traded for fix-it coupons at the Awesome Sync. We guarantee the best capsule to coupon exchange rate anywhere on this planet.
Alright, let's see, I'll change that over to concrete as well. I think this should be tall enough from down here. Actually, might want to go one higher. So is one gonna be enough? One higher. Where's that put me at? Need to get this out of the way so I can see it clearly. Actually, I think I'm gonna do... Yeah, I think those do get taller, though, when you continue building them. I'm just gonna end up with this thing being 3,000 stories tall. Take one of these and just head up with it from here instead of continuing building a giant pillar up. So this one should be another 4 meters up from the other. This is gonna be a big building. Okay, so that makes it 20 long across that point. Maybe cut it there. So that'll let me continue building that way a little bit without running into this pillar there. Or I could just ignore it and continue. This is tall. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this piece here. Build mode vertical. gonna be big. Big. Actually, that's kind of interesting for a design. Hmm. Okay, I got an idea here. I got an idea going on. So I'm gonna go one down from the side of this. Another foundation off of that. And then this one will be the one that goes down vertically. Well, I can't. Damn it. Right on top of that. I would have to extend it outward. Or shrink it up a little bit. I suppose I could do that. Let's try that. Worst case, I rebuild it. Still right on it. Okay, so the answer is further. Right here is kind of where I want it to come down. There. I think that's how it looked. You know, except with the extra bit off the edge. Let's go ahead and add that. Give myself a ramp to get back up if I fall off. Oh, cool. It actually connects right into this. That's kind of cool. There. Alright, yeah, that'll work. I like this. I like how this is going. This will work well. Boy, this is gonna be a big building. Alright, let's find the other corner points. So then I can just fill it in. So from here, the pillar is right here, so it wants to run. I might need to pull this one in as well, so I can build that way. But no, that comes right over that. That doesn't work. It could maybe, if it came out here, maybe this spot, maybe that would be okay. Yeah, that could work. I have no idea if that was needed, but I put it in anyway. Just gonna cut off the top of that a little bit. Oops. Alright, there we go. Alright, so depending on how I want this to run, I think I only want this piece at the corners. So I think I want to extend from that point. Maybe okay for now. Maybe a couple more. Yeah, here might work. There's that one. Clear these up. There's gonna be this great big thing in the way. I guess I just have to build around it. Got it. Yeah, I'm trying to build with the future in mind. That doesn't always go to plan, though. So, I'm just gonna build it and see what happens. And maybe these ones. Yeah, I think the spot too. Okay. Cleaned up. Good to go. Oh, so I'm just very glad I don't have to light it up like in Minecraft. I can just build. Without worrying about the creepy crawlies of the dark ruining everything I've made. A little extra power. I had picked a milestone. Go ahead and split the plates. I have enough of these for... Yeah, okay. I guess I'll just finish that out. barely enough concrete. Okay, I'm gonna have to ramp up concrete production soon. That'll probably be a next time thing. And I only need a few. Come on. 6 more. Oh, wait, I got a bunch of quartz. I can research these.
Research completed. Quartz crystal recipe unlocked. New quartz research available. Research completed. Silica recipe unlocked. New quartz research available.
I guess I'll just grab those and do the rest manually. There's not a whole lot left. Alright, that should be enough. Done. Sent. Go ahead and grab that last milestone, set it in the list.
Milestone reached. Fix
Okay,
it
that'll
would like
be
to
for
remind
next
you of
time.
your contractual
And I'll have
obligation
the
towards
smart
efficiency.
plating. I can finish that.
Recreational use of belts and
And get
lifts
those
does not
started
count
to go into
towards
the space
work hours
elevator.
and will put you on the list. Stay efficient.
I'm
Don't
gonna go ahead and
disappoint,
throw
fix
those
it.
in there. I don't want them. Ooh, that's a supercomputer. That'll give me a ton of points. Send that. Yeah, that one should give me a ton of points. Go ahead and see. Yep. 16 coupons worth. Now that's what you like to see. See if there's anything I want to buy right now. Now the ladder could be useful, getting up and around this. Maybe I'll wait until I have a little bit of time to think about it, and then when I come back. Copper paint. I'm not sure how these work. I'm very curious. Oh, the display signs. I can actually make them. Those are useful. I can use those to help me remember which one is leaves and which one is wood. I'm gonna go ahead and get that. Alright. Then I got 6 left. I'll wait and choose those
Where
next
did you
time.
leave your lizard doggos? What's in this storage container? Where
Well,
did
I've
you
got a
put
lot
the
done.
essential
Almost finished with the
components
first 2
needed to save
milestones.
humanity?
Or the
Do you
first 2
wish there
sets of
was
them.
text to prevent you from
Almost
constantly
ready to
taking a
start
wrong turn?
phase 1.
Disguise your struggles to comprehend the complexity of your surroundings
Almost
with
there.
signs.
Almost there. Getting there. Finally getting some foundations laid down for a proper factory structure. It'll be good, but that'll all be for next time. So, thank you everybody so much for joining. I hope you all had a good time. I'll be back with this again at some point in the week, so be sure to tune in if you want to see. So until then, take care, and goodbye.